പുസ്തകപ്പൂക്കളിൽ തേൻ കുടിക്കാനായി ചിത്രപതംഗങ്ങളെത്തി. പുസ്തകപ്പൂക്കളിൽ തേൻ കുടിക്കാനായി ചിത്രപതംഗങ്ങളെത്തി. ഉത്സാഹമോടെ പറന്നു പറന്നവർ ഉത്സവം കൂടുവാനെത്തി. ഉത്സവം കൂടുവാനെത്തി. വീട്ടുകാര്യങ്ങളും കൂട്ടുകാര്യങ്ങളും പായാരമോരോന്നു പാടി. പായാരമോരോന്നു പാടി. പുസ്തകപ്പൂക്കളിൽ പൂപ്പാറ്റകൾ വന്ന് മുത്തം കൊടുക്കുന്ന കാലമെത്തി. മുത്തം കൊടുക്കുന്ന കാലമെത്തി. ഉദ്യാന വിദ്യാലയം തുറന്നേ. പൊതുവിദ്യാലയം തുറന്നേ. ഉല്ലാസകാലം വിരുന്നു വന്നേ. വന്നേ വന്നേ വിരുന്നു വന്നേ.
Education is not only a ladder of opportunity, but it's also an investment in our future. A warm and pleasant good morning to one and all. It's our first assembly in this academic year. We are not able to join together till today because of one of the most dreaded diseases, COVID-19. 9,90,000 death cases are reported due to this small virus. The entire world is trying hard to defend this disease. That's why we are conducting assembly in online. The buds of 9E are ready with our assembly. Mind is the most mysterious thing, and even the science can't explain it properly. Prayer gives peace of mind, and it gives a good beginning to our deeds. Let's start our assembly with a prayer, and I welcome Shubhanandini to make you feel the presence of God.
സച്ചിദാനന്ദ രൂപമേ സസ്നേഹ കേദാരമേ സത്തായ മാർഗം തെളിച്ചിടുക സത്യസ്വരൂപ വിഭോ സച്ചിദാനന്ദ രൂപമേ ജീവിത നൗകതൊഴങ്ങിടുവാൻ നാഥാവരമരുൾക ജീവിത നൗകതൊഴങ്ങിടുവാൻ നാഥാവരമരുൾക ഭുവനേക് ശാന്തി തൻ പൂന്തെന്നൽ വീശാൻ ഭുവനേക് ശാന്തി തൻ പൂന്തെന്നൽ വീശാൻ ഭുവനേശ്വര കൈതൊഴാം സച്ചിദാനന്ദ രൂപമേ സസ്നേഹ കേദാരമേ സത്തായ മാർഗം തെളിച്ചിടുക സത്യസ്വരൂപ വിഭോ സച്ചിദാനന്ദ രൂപമേ.
Prayer is really medicine to mind. Thank you, Shubhanandini, to make us feel the presence of God. Oscar Wilde says, patriotism is the virtue of the vicious. A man without nationalism is no more than a corpse. Sania is here with the pledge. I request you to stand in pledge position.
Ready. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and very heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity around plus my happiness. Jai Hind.
Now our country is facing external threat from Pakistan and China. They are trying to intrude to our provinces. Our valiant soldiers are guarding our borders day and night, because of which we could sleep peacefully. Many have lost their lives, and very recently Sri Anish Thomas, a native of Anchal, is killed in Rajouri district of Jammu Kashmir in mortar attack of Pakistan. A big salute to the courageous soldiers, and thank you Sania for rousing our nationalist feeling. The happiness of your life depends on the quality of your thoughts. Pithy sayings make us think, and most of them have a treasure of meaning in it. Megha, may I invite you for thought?
Good morning all. Today's quote. The future depends on what you do today. I repeat, the future depends on what you do today. By Mahatma Gandhi. Thank you and have a nice day.
Gandhiji is my hero, who defeated the imperial power Britain with the new weapons of non-violence and satyagraha. He is revered by the entire world, and thank you Megha for quoting him in your thought. Mother Teresa in all aspects of her life was a generous dispenser of divine mercy, making herself available for everyone through her welcome and defense of human life. She was the mother of the whole world, and she loved the poor and the destitute. She tried to open the inner eyes of human through her words. Let's welcome Sandra for the quotes of Mother Teresa, the most pious lady I had ever seen.
Quotes of Mother Teresa. First, spread love everywhere you go. Let no one ever come to you without leaving happier. Second, I am not sure exactly what heaven will be like, but I know that when we die and it come time for God to judge us, He will not ask how many good things have you done in your life. Rather, He will ask how much love did you put into what you did. Third, yesterday is gone. Tomorrow has not yet come. We have only today. Let's begin. Thank you.
It's rightly said, yesterday has gone, tomorrow has not yet come. We have only today, so don't waste our time, use our time wisely and spread the light of love around you. Thank you Sandhya. It said, learn character from trees, values from roots, and changes from leaves. Throughout history, trees have filled us with wonder and sparked our imagination. Writers, philosophers, and even the old politicians have found inspiration in the branches and leaves of trees around them. Sangeeta will make us think what is the value of trees in our life.
Good morning to all, respected teachers and all my dear friends. Today, I am standing in front of you to say a short speech about the topic uses of trees. As we all know, trees are very important in a human's life. They give us shade. They also increase the nature beauty of the place. Evaporation is checked in shady regions. The wood is useful for different purposes. The leaf is a manure. Their root also helps to prevent soil erosion. By knowing all the services of plants, humans are deliberately cutting trees for getting money. Humans are giving more value for money than their life. By cutting trees, they are reducing the existence of life. They didn't get oxygen for their life. Clearance of trees from forests also make new dangers. So, there is a need for growing more trees. Government has adopted a policy to growing more trees. So, in my opinion, avoid cutting trees and plant more trees for our better life and for future generations. By saying this, I am concluding my short speech. Thank you and have a nice day.
Wow, I couldn't think this much about trees before your speech, Sangeeta. What a sacrifice they are doing for us. They are giving us shade by holding the burning sun on summer, giving us fruit, root, leaves, skin, medicine, wood and many things. Can you imagine a world without trees? Of course not. A room without books is like a body without a soul. I do believe something very magical can happen when you read a good book. Leah of our class introduces a book she has read recently.
നമസ്കാരം, ഞാൻ ലിയ റവി. ഞാൻ നിങ്ങളുടെ മുമ്പിൽ ഒരു പുസ്തകത്തെ പരിചയപ്പെടുത്താനാണ് വന്നിരിക്കുന്നത്.
ഫാദർ അഗസ്റ്റിൻ പുന്നശ്ശേരിയുടെ നാടോടി ഖലീൽ ജിബ്രാൻ എന്ന പുസ്തകമാണ് ഞാൻ നിങ്ങളെ ഇന്ന് പരിചയപ്പെടുത്താൻ പോകുന്നത്. ലെബനന്റെ അനശ്വരമായ പ്രവാചക കവി എന്ന് നമുക്ക് ഖലീൽ ജിബ്രാനെ വിശേഷിപ്പിക്കാം. ഒരു ബഹുമുഖ്യ പ്രതിഭയുടെ ഉടമ തന്നെയാണ് ഖലീൽ ജിബ്രാൻ. അദ്ദേഹം സാഹിത്യകാരൻ, കഥാകാരൻ, കവി, ചിത്രകാരൻ എന്നീ നിലകളിൽ വളരെ പ്രസിദ്ധമാണ്. കാൽപ്പനികതയുടെ സൗന്ദര്യം, വിപ്ലവത്തിന്റെ തീക്ഷ്ണത, സർഗാത്മകതയുടെ ഔന്നത്യം, പൗരസ്ത്യയുടെ ആത്മീയത ഇവയെല്ലാം അദ്ദേഹത്തിന്റെ കൃതികളിൽ നമുക്ക് എടുത്തു കാണാൻ സാധിക്കുന്നു. പാശ്ചാത്യ പൗരസ്ത്യയുടെ ലയവും സമയത്വവും അദ്ദേഹത്തിന്റെ സൃഷ്ടികളിൽ നമുക്ക് കാണാൻ സാധിക്കുന്നു. നന്ദി, നമസ്കാരം.
The words of Khalil Gibran inspired APJ Abdul Kalam, the missile man of India who gave a name to India in space. Khalil Gibran says, "Don't give your thoughts to others. Instead, let them think." Thank you, Leah, for choosing his book for today's assembly. Intelligence plus character, that's the goal of true education. A good student should be a knowledge hunter. To test your general knowledge, we have Shraddha with us.
Hi dear friends, I am Shraddha. Now I am going to check your general knowledge. First question. Which state launched a project that aimed to provide free internet access to the poor in state? Answer, Kerala. Second question. Name the first cricketer to score 1000 runs in an inning in any competitive match. Answer, Pranav Dave. Third question. Which was the India's first mapping satellite? Answer, Cartosat first. Fourth question. Who is said to be the father of Indian space program? Answer, Vikram Sarabhai. Fifth question. Who is the first woman to head a public sector bank? Answer, Arundhati Bhattacharya. Sixth question. In which day World Tourism Day is celebrated? Answer, September 27. Seventh question. When is the Yoga Day celebrated? Answer, June 21. Eighth question. Line of Blood is a book written by who? Answer, by Raj Khanna. Ninth question. Madrasas are the school of which caste? Answer, Muslims.
One who has the passion of hunting knowledge will always be successful. We should be updated with the time. Thank you, Shraddha, for choosing good questions for testing our general knowledge. Our HM, Sujadevi ma'am, is really a gem of teachers. Our class teacher, Preeti Prasannan ma'am, plays an inevitable part in molding us, and we have a team of teachers whose tireless service, infectious enthusiasm, and boundless love make us lighten. They are fanning the flame of inquiry in the minds of us. We know a word of thanks is not enough. Then also I invite Devi Krishna to deliver a word of thanks.
We would like to thank our respected headmistress, Sudha teacher, and the class teacher, Preeti teacher, for giving us an opportunity to conduct the...
We always pray Tejasvi Navadi Tamastu. Our great teachers are bringing light to our dark world of ignorance, as I said earlier. A word of thanks is not enough for them. Thank you, Devi Krishna, for expressing our gratitude. In spite of disunity of caste, creed, color, language, and religion, we are one. We should have the spirit of oneness with us. Let's wind up this session with National Anthem, and Suryanandana is cordially invited for the same. Kamapi Sadhyam. This means without effort nothing is possible. We should not blame our fate without working hard. The Almighty gave us brain to think and do our duty, reminding once again the importance of time. I am Ardra Nair of 9 8 signing off. Stay safe and stay enlightened. Thank you.